Again, you got to let the trade work itself out, even if it takes a little bit of money while it's doing it, because we still have to trade the trade. Yeah, Apple is just barely hanging on. Where are we at? We got 40 seconds, everybody. 40 seconds. 40 seconds, and we'll see what happens here. Tesla is still staying to the upside. It's pretty interesting. Bounced off that 163.28 and staying up there. Do you see how that one candle broke through on SPY, but it did not hold underneath VWAP? That's a don't.
Yep. That's what I'm looking at. It keeps bouncing off of it.
Yep, that means don't be scared yet, right? Oh, look at SPY. There you go, partner. You like that?
Yes, coach. Love it. Let's
Oh,
go.
there you
It
go,
goes
baby.
Apple.
Look at this. Look at
Apple
SPY.
testing a double top.
Look at SPY. Look at that,
Good
partner.
Tesla.
Huh? Look at that. You got to trade the trade. Am I right? Yeah, the whole market popped. The whole market popped right there. So I hope this is a good lesson, though, 2-minute EWO riders, right? Just trade the trade. Don't freak out. Shed when you're supposed to, 50, 20, 20, 10. Let it work itself out. If it goes down a little bit, that's okay. That's part of the magic. It has to work. You have to let it work, right? Because worst case scenario, if it would have pulled hard through VWAP, you would have just sold off, right?
Yep.
So let the trade develop, let it work its magic and do what it's supposed to do. And if you're in there with the correct position size, it's not going to wreck your soul. And that is where the magic happens. Correct position sizing. Yes?
And look at all
Absolutely.
those sideways candles we waited through, coach, just to
Yeah,
get that payday.
that's right. Yeah, that's patience right there, right? Yeah, this is huge patience right here. Absolutely. Let me flip this to the 2 minutes so you guys can see. All consolidation, but I can tell you what I liked about it. Consolidating up. You see how it stays up tall? That's what I like. It didn't pop up, come back, and fade. It went up and stayed up tall. That's what I mean when I say that, by the way. It's like its head is lifted up and it stays up there. That's what you want to see.
Almost like it's gaining momentum as it goes.
That's correct. Yep. Boy, that SPY, man, that was the payday. Look at this thing.
Oh yeah, coach. It's testing 520.13 as a resistance there. See if they can break it.
Gotcha. Thank you. Good call on that. Yeah, if it does, you're going to have a nice move up to 5. I mean, it's got,
Oh my God, it just did, man.
yeah, it's got a lot. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. Mind Teaser says, do you think ACB will drop? Well, it's consolidating now. Hopefully you got in early, though, when I was calling it all morning. If you did, remember I said move your stops up. If you look at this, and I quote, ACB ran up yesterday and had a huge knife drop. Look at the knife drop. Everybody see it? That's what I was protecting you from. Do you see how nasty that knife drop is? And then, of course, it's kind of consolidating in here. But your money should already have been made, and you're not really worried as much about how much more you can get, right? Because it's already ran 15%. That's ridiculous. That's a lot. Move those stops up. Move them up, move them up. Tesla pulling back now on a double top. Just textbook over here on Tesla. My gosh. Look at this. Just perfect textbook setups on Tesla. This is a scalper's paradise. Can you guys see how perfect this is? Here's your double bottom. And here is your double top. I mean, it does not get any more perfect than that at all. Look at it. It's perfect. Now, here's what we need to watch for on Tesla. Is this going to be support, or is it going to break through to make its way back down to a triple bottom? Do you see it?
Yes, and Big Seven are all pulling right now.
Well, there you go. So more than likely then watch for a pull, but you got to watch this level. This VWAP's going to be everything on Tesla. If it can hold up here, bullish back to triple top. If this breaks below, bearish down to a triple bottom. Make sense, everybody?